In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous bun. If you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. Also, everything that I will be using for this hair, I'll be linking it down for you in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. And if you have any further questions, of course, leave them for me in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to respond to you ASAP. Come on, let's do this. As you can see, I only have this simple cornrows done to make it more elegant and more dressy, and maybe to give it an older girl vibe. I decided to do this low bun. So this was what I used to achieve this low bun. It's the X-Pression collection. It's recommended for crochet braids and also for kinky twist. Alright, I'm going to be taking this off now so we can see how to make it together. Alright, let me just go ahead and take it off. This is something you can do in 2 or 3 minutes every day, and this is exactly what I do. I wear my hair like this. I wear a scarf with it if I'm going to bed in the night. I wear a silk scarf. In the morning, once I do my makeup, I just quickly get that done. So this is what it looks like here, right here. This can be worn like this. I can wear it down, but I'm going to be showing you how I achieve that bun. This is what this one looks like. Let me fold it in half so I can show you. What I did was I got a pack of this one. This is exactly how the hair comes. Let me fold it out so you can see. So I went ahead to twist it. The thickness of the bun you want will determine the amount of hair you would use. So for example, for this one, I actually used almost a pack. And this is what I have left from just one pack. Just this bit. So let's just say I'm using this whole lot, like this. So this is it. I'm trying to twist it. So as you can see, you twist it all the way to the end and you end up with something like this. Alright? The next step for you, I personally try not to use bobby pins for my hair. If you like, you can use bobby pins. Because this hair is so dark, as you can see, I always use very dark hair holder to kind of hold it onto my hair. So I'm going to turn around now to show you. This is the end of my hair. As you can see, I'm going to get this and use it to hold it onto my hair. So right there, like that, I'm going to secure this now. I'll use that to secure my hair with it. I have it secured, as you can see. The next step for me is to even secure it further. I'm going to take the next one right here and I'm going to wrap this around for once or twice. Take it clockwise right there and I'm going to stop. Look at that. So I'm going to just secure it again, like that. So the idea is for it to be well secured. I have it well secured. It's just dangling down like that. So the next step now is for me to wrap it all the way, also clockwise. So I'll take it right here and start wrapping. I make sure to strategically wrap it like a donut, alright? So I take it like that, using my other hand to secure the middle and go ahead to wrap it, okay? And push it as I go and continue to wrap. You can make it as firm as you want and you can make it as loose as you want, alright? As you can see, I'm not holding it with anything but it's staying intact. Continue to wrap it around clockwise. Alright, just continue to set it and make sure you are holding it firm enough. Alright, and then continue like that, and this is the last lap. So the very end, as you can see, is thin. I'm going to tuck it in right there. So final step, I'm going to use this to secure the whole lot. Alright, grab this and use it to secure the whole lot. And that is what it looks like. This is how to achieve this look. You can adjust it whichever way you like, and you can make your bun as big as you want. The thing about kinky hair or Marley hair, some of you call it Marley, some of you call it kinky, is that it actually stays where you put it. It doesn't move around a lot. It's not hard to use. You can do anything you want with it. So that is how I achieve this quick low bun on my cornrows. If you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. And if you go ahead and try this bun, please share your comments with me down below. You can tag me on Instagram with your hairstyle. I would love to see. And finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any good stuff that I share on this channel. I love you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon on my next video. Bye bye.
When I look into your eyes, I was so surprised. I found